Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix ARC Raiders login failed due to a service interruption error. So if you can't log in or the game keeps disconnecting, just follow these steps to get it working again. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to check if the issue is coming from ARC Raiders servers. Open your browser and search for ARC Raiders server status or check their official social channels. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait, but if everything is running normally, continue to the next steps. Now, let's fix your connection settings. Go to your computer's search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This is important so the commands work properly. Once CMD opens, we're going to enter a few connection reset commands. These are already listed in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste them one by one. This will refresh your internet settings and clear out connection conflicts that cause login issues. After typing all the commands, press Enter. Now, once you're done, go ahead and restart your computer. When your computer turns back on, launch ARC Raiders again and try logging in. For many players, this instantly fixes the service interruption error and gets them back into the game. If not, here's another quick fix. Update ARC Raiders from your launcher or game store. Sometimes outdated versions fail to authenticate with the server, and updating solves the problem right away. And that's it. By checking the server status, resetting your network, and updating the game, you can usually fix the ARC Raiders login failed error and get back into the game without interruptions.